QuickBooks desktop versus online. Which version should you be using? What a mind blow. Well, they do have similar features. We're going to explore exactly what they are. So without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so we're jumping straight into the desktop versus the online version. Now, you can explore cloud-based versus locally installed accounting. So this is pretty much where the breaking point is. Now, here we're going to compare scalability, accessibility, and different integrations. Let's discover the growing preference for cloud solutions. First off, we have QuickBooks Desktop, okay, and it is very feature rich. Some of the advanced features include scores higher in research reports for more advanced functions. You get job costings, which gives you comprehensive capabilities for more detailed job costing. Also, you get invoicing templates. You get a wider selection of these built-in invoicing templates, and also enhanced functions like barcode and lot tracking. So that is great. Also, we're going to have a look now at the industry specifics. So it does offer software versions tailored for unique industry needs. Also, it's got contractors edition, so jobs or job profitability summaries with detailed cost trackings. It also supports project estimations for accurate bidding, and it's got exclusive features such as sales orders, which is not included in the online version. Okay, having a look at QuickBooks Online now. One of obviously the most greatest features is it's cloud-based, so you can access it from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. And then also it works on any device with a browser, so it's not locally installed on your machine. Also, it has automatic transaction scheduling, and it also has document attachment capabilities. Now, if you are on the go and you have your mobile device with you, you can actually install that onto your device as well, on your mobile device, and you can actually have the capabilities of capturing receipts or any other data as you are moving. Also, it has automatic updates, so without having to manually do installations or updates, it is always up to date. Also, there are flexible plans with very easy upgrades, so it's flexible for pretty much anybody, and it's a really convenient way to share features, files, pretty much everything that you need within your team. And talking about team, if you are collaborating, of course, within your team, it is a great way to share all the information accurately and openly with everybody. So having a look now, choosing the right QuickBooks version for you, of course, you need to consider your inventory complexity. You need to consider your collaboration needs. You also need to evaluate your accounting processes. And then lastly, you need to factor in budget constraints, because they do have different costs. So you need to know which one is going to work for you best. So there you go. You can see now that each one is built for specific use cases, and you can go ahead and try both of them and see which one works for you specifically. If this was helpful, drop us a like, share it with a friend, and we'll see you next time.